You're scrolling the App Store at 2 a.m. thinking, I just want to chat with cool people and maybe feel artsy, then boom, Aragi pops up. So the big question is Aragi legit or is it one of those apps you regret downloading in 5 minutes? I tested it so you don't have to. Watch till the end. Aragi presents itself as an art-focused social and video chat app. It promises art discovery, exhibition browsing, community discussions, and sharing experiences with people who love creativity. On paper, it sounds classy, like a virtual art gallery mixed with social interaction. But here's where reality kicks in. Once inside, the experience feels different from the description. Multiple user reviews mention sudden video chat requests, random messages, and uncomfortable interactions. Some users even say they were contacted immediately after joining. Not exactly the peaceful art journey you'd expect. The app currently sits around a 3.6 rating, and that tells a story. While some users enjoy chatting, others raise serious concerns, especially about privacy, age safety, and personal data. That's a red flag you shouldn't ignore. So, scammer legit, Aragi is real, but it's not for everyone. If you're expecting a calm, art focused platform, you might be disappointed. If privacy and safety matter to you, think twice. My advice, read reviews carefully before hitting download. Subscribe for more honest app reviews, no sugarcoating, no nonsense. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.